What up, Mason? Retard. $50K prop trading account? Yeah, that could work. Depending on if you have like that should be a margin account. Depends what broker it's with though. Seems like everyone's trying to get funded right now. Kind of weird. News day. What's the news? Good brokers? Depends what you're trying to trade. Do you need a specific broker to gain access to the short strategy? Kind of. You need a broker that's going to be good for shorting. Like have good fees. PPI. I don't know what that means though. I don't either, to be honest. I'm pretty sure that already got reported though. Please keep pumping out content. I'm 17. You're a huge role model for me. I will continue to make some content. I'm trying to figure out, like, there's a lot of things that I need to figure out with YouTube. It's a lot more complex than I thought it was, at least, like, at first look. Seems like it's going to be a lot easier until you figure out that long form is actually, like, hard as fuck. You still in Tesla call? Yeah, why would I close that? You are a friend of Matthew.D. I know him, but I don't really, like, hang out with him or anything. Why? Why do you ask that? AE? Yeah. It's super thin, though. Holy shit. Good breakout if you have, like, a 1K account. Halt this thing trying to buy it. He scammed me, lol. Yeah, I've been hearing he's scamming a lot of people. It's poor. And even if I was a friend of him, like, I don't really understand why you would come to me for that. But I did literally. It's like the same thing. Yeah, AE, I don't know. It's really thin. That was a good breakout, though. On the account I'm on right now, I could actually take that. Do you know Nor Trades? Like personally, or know about him? Because I don't know him personally, but I do know about him. Some music going. About him, do you think he's a good trader overall? That's a dumb question. No, he's an idiot. It's pretty obvious. When you first started trading, did you get funded? No. What is my music taste? Kind of all over the place. Okay, looks like no shorts. So today I'll be focused on mainly Tesla and SPY. The only reason I'm focused on Tesla is like I might trim a bit at open depending on what these contracts are at. Probably not trim much at all if I do. And then auto manufacturers are seeming to have a little bit of a rally. This is a bounce that I expect to last at least like a week. There's a few other names that I'm looking at in the space. Obviously, EVs, if we look at Lucid. Lucid has a decent setup on 1 hour, so I'm going to watch this for like the beginning of market. Just say that we adjust that. Make sure it's a clean break. Then we'll do that. Lucid, what else? Rivian. Rivian's kind of shit, but this could start to bounce. That's the thing. There is not really too much of an identifiable range, but let's see. Yeah, obviously, like Lucid and Rivian are gonna move a lot better than Tesla will. Maybe. Bro said howdy. Okay, let's see. I might have to trim a little bit of Tesla. Keep my ES1 up. Yeah, it seems like whatever news came out already got processed. Okay, Tesla's up 120%. I'm just gonna keep it. If it dumps, it's whatever. I'll be able to tell in like 30 minutes. So this bounce, you should be able to see here, like takes a shit, ranges, bounces up. So we're looking for strong recovery. This day could be good, like today. Auto parts had this bounce. Where did I have it? Right here. Comes down, ranges, bounces back up really strong. Overall, it was in an uptrend, but that was COVID. But you can see bounce here as well, even when it was in a downtrend. If we go to auto manufacturers, still a strong downtrend, but you know, some sort of reversal is likely for today. Let's see where SPY's at on daily. Okay, SPY still has room. SPY still has a lot of room. Could have a big day. Like a full ADR. That'd be nice. We're gonna have to see though how this does. Won't Tesla bounce? What do you mean? Okay. Rivian's kind of a laggard. It's a little bit behind everything else. So that's something that I probably won't take. Lucid is much better candidate. This would be a position that I may have to snag depending on how today does. Um, Realistically, I want this to go sideways all day for Lucid, so just so we can get that better setup. Tesla, yeah, this is normal. If it can bounce like around this level, that'll be good. Flip the trend real quick. Go to. Whoa, 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 whoa. A lot of things like kind of just looks like we need time, to be honest, or majority of things. Carvana, I want to see how this does around 845. Could go higher though, like 950-ish. The fuck? Go too short. It's not really a short setup on that. This thing is fucked, dude. The daily is just ridiculous. What about OKTA? Everyone's saying that because some dumbass on Twitter posted it. I already know it. I mean, it's like relatively weak. It's kind of having a comeback. It's just not a tight setup. It's below 200. There's a lot of things that hurt that. Like Tesla's different. Um, this is like significantly below 200. Very extended to the downside, so it's prone to a bounce, and it ranged a lot better. OKTA is just some random 4.87% ADR. It could make a move, but I honestly think it'll just fade from here. Spy puts? What the fuck? Why would you make spy puts? Please think. Use the brain. Use the brain, bro. Looks like today might be kind of dry. Which is a little bit shitty. Kind of is what it is, though. Go to if we can get longer consolidation. Daily looks good. See daily. I want this to chop down here, come back up, keep going. Maybe for like another month or so. DCFC just filled gap. Wow. It's only an extra like 5% though. I closed that yesterday. This thing is just crazy. Neon. How much volume? Honestly, not much going on at all. Kind of weird. Oh, SPY. Getting some movement. Oxy. It's still stuck where it was. Let's see. Tesla. Maybe come back down a bit. Gamble. Wow. Genius. Tesla's chilling at 75%. I would like to see. I don't know. I would like to see a bounce, kind of where it is now, but seems like we made lower low on a shorter time frame. So it could go down. I'd say like 130, 130, and then bounce. That'd be interesting if it really goes all the way down there. It's pretty possible though. Very possible actually. I'm assuming that if it does go here, then the contracts would be worth a lot less than they are now. So then I could add. Yeah. Jesus, dude. All right, let's see. Tesla 130, 130. Or like, yeah, 130, 130 is where, bless, thank you. That's where I'd like to see a real bounce. If it holds up higher, then I mean, fuck it, but what the hell? Dude, AHR is absolutely a money printer. Roblox. Read about that. Well, judging by the fact that it took out lows like right off open, it's relatively weak. Um, but I don't know. I mean, they've been seeing some good data lately, I think, which was the cause for that gap. I don't know if that was really 15% gap. Like, definitely was a little bit like overhyped. Shit. Okay, now it's going. I really think, you know, 130, 130, 130. Guess I'll just wait for that. For now, yeah, it's taking some of those gains back. Why are Tesla contracts so expensive? They're not. Future Tesla setup scalp if it continues to go lower. Yeah, kind of. Okay, we're halfway there for Tesla. A little bit more. What's up with Nvidia? Don't know. It's probably doing nothing. Yeah. Why would I know what's up with that? Just sitting still. SPY 400 call. Bro. Come on, bro. There has to be a troll. There's no way. It's at 399.40. Oh my goodness. What am I gonna do? Can you look at your downtrend line for Spyman? Looks like it broke, but oh yeah, I'll check. I don't think it did. Yeah, it's definitely not there yet. I think it's got to be like 400 plus realistically to break. This week it would need to be like 405 plus to break that. But next week, like 404-ish. I'd say it's clear. Yeah. Needs a little more time for sure. Whoa. Okay, Lucid's getting close. If you guys are in here right now, make sure you like the stream. I always forget to tell you guys, but 74 people, so we got more than usual. I think we're averaging about like 50. But if you can all like the stream, that'd be sick. And then I'll say thank you. If SPY does break out on the weekly, what are we gonna be expecting? Like multiple trades per day? Um, we'll have to see like a little bit into it. It's hard to tell. Oh shit, I need to look at that. It's hard to tell like what exactly we would be expecting. For the most part, conditions would change significantly, but you know, we still need to get back above that 200 clean. Well, we are right now. Not too clean though. Struggling around the 200. And then we want to see 10 and 20 above the 200 as well. And then the 50 above the 200. But 50 I don't have on daily chart. Just kind of, you know, get that trend going and make sure that we're going to stay in that direction versus just like failing. Come on. How many likes are we at? Let's see. I'm about to check. If it's low, I'm gonna be pissed. All right, I'm checking in like 2 seconds. Make sure you like it. Let's see where we at. Where we at? How do I even check? 23? Is that where we're at? 23? Got 73 people and it says 23. Come on. 27? All right. Some people just went up like 10 to 12. I'd hope so. I'm not even asking for anything. Like, all you gotta do is like the stream. Is that hard? All right, 30. We're at 30. What's the other 40 people doing? You guys sleeping? Bunch of mean people, man. Oh. Tesla. I'm really looking to see this to go to 130, 130, 130 for me to do any sort of ad. I would expect that the contracts would lose value at that point, so that's why I could like slightly add to that position. Although I'm still up like 30%. I plan to swing this either way, so it is what it is. How much money do you recommend I have to start trading with? The more the better. That depends on your personal financial situation, which I don't know, so I can't really tell you. For me, like, I just try to put as much money as I know I can tie up, like, because I think of it like you're putting money in and you're expecting to never pull that money out, basically. You're just trying to grow that money as much as you can until it's to like to the point where you're like, oh shit, like I'm chilling. Like say you're fine with like 10, 20 mil, whatever. You get to that point, you know, a few like 5, 10 years down the line, whatever it is, depending on how much you start with. And then you're like, oh shit, I'm chilling. You just cash out. Boom, you're done. Like your life's done. And then with money like that, there's a lot of things you can invest in to just kind of chill and rely on investments. I'll still trade though. Wow, this is a boring ass day. Let's see, I think probably let it go for another like 30 minutes, see what we get. How do you afford your lifestyle then if you hold your money in your account? Well, I don't hold like all of it. Obviously, like there's a portion that I'm willing to spend. But realistically, for the most part, like that stuff's not like too expensive. Like okay, it is, but like you can get away with doing things for a lot less than you would think. You can penny pinch your way through life. Pretty crazy life too, actually. The clubs and stuff, though, that shit's no joke. That's where you get fucked. Clubs are ridiculous, dude. It's actually, like, disgusting. Look at you go. Right to the top, you fucking dumbass. Oh my god. Spy is kind of getting there. For some reason, I really think this is going to go lower. Maybe not. As I say that. How much money are you up today? $0 on this account. And actually, no, I'm up 411 on this account. I have AHR and like two other positions, but AHR is the one leading. $400. And then my options account, I'm up 296. That just jumped. Okay, now 260. So like $500. I mean, I'm not really taking any trades, so I guess that's pretty good. Once I get to or once I see Tesla at my target, I should be up like 5, 10. Let me see real quick. Jesus Christ, that's so fucking loud, dude. And that's not, I set the target too low. Wow. And I get beeped for no reason. Dude, that pissed me off. That's so loud. What do you trade on? Cobra Trading and Webull. How much money do you usually profit per month? That is subjective to a lot of things. So, a lot of factors that play into that. What do you think about NEE considering taking March 23? NEE, actually, this isn't all that bad. Only problem is the 1.7 ADR. What strike do you want? 90 calls? So you're only expecting a 4.3% move by March 23rd? I think that was kind of ridiculous, to be honest. You should focus on faster movers. Don't look at anything that's below a 4 ADR. Like Tesla has a 7.04 ADR, which ADR equals average daily range. That is the average percent that this will move per day. So yesterday, we got a 5% move, 4.6. Day before that, bottom to top, 5.8. Day before that, bottom to top, 6. So you can see, like, you're going to be waiting until March while I can get that move in one day. So, I mean, you can wait till March if you want. I'm not stopping you. Tesla calls right now? No, I'm already in those. I told you, if I'm going to add, then it will be here at 131.30. But if not, we just let it continue to go. Any more videos on vlog? Yeah, I've been thinking of some YouTube ideas. There's a couple things I've been thinking of. Don't worry. Don't worry, bro. Something's coming. Actually, it's not coming. I haven't even started, haven't even really thought. But I have some ideas. Got a few down in the notes. Spy breaks out of supply in for calls. I don't know what supply. I don't know, to be honest. If spy breaks out of supply. Yeah, I don't know. You lost me on that one. I'm not sure. Um, I don't know, bro. I don't know where you're looking. I'm pretty sure that this is just uptrending after breaking this range. I don't really see any sort of like supply or 1 minute. I don't even know. Maybe I'm an idiot. Who knows? Tuesday high. Can we play chess? I'm gonna have to say no. We can't play chess. I don't really play chess, and it's also 7 a.m. Market's open. Look at GE. Definitely won't be playing chess right now. GE. This needs time. Could be setting up. It's got a low ADR though, 2.5. I mean, this move looks really big, but it's only 20%. Oh, wait, I need to look at this. You guys are distracting me. This is ridiculous. I can't believe it. All right, let's see. Tesla. What calls do we have? What's your sleep schedule? I don't sleep, bro. You know, I was sent down from the heavens, if you want to know the truth. And my reason on earth is to stream live trading every day and provide you with good alerts and good knowledge. That's what I was told, so don't quote me on that one. All right, so Tesla 150, this would result in like 2,000%. Like 1 to 2,000%. Bro thinks he's safe. Nah, I just think it's funny. Tesla's still downtrending, technically. You're damn handsome, I bet. All the girls like you. I don't really know, bro. I haven't been outside in like 4 years. I feel the weather through my window. Did you drop out of college? I was not in college. More money than Tate? Um, Sure. Apple's moving. Let's see how much it moved. 1%. Would SPY calls be too early? Wow. Look at they hit 400 exactly. I wonder if that kid bought 400 calls. It's funny. Um, what are you getting in SPY calls for, bro? There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. You just like that's the same thing. Like you see a stock moving up and you want your account to move with it. It's not gonna happen. You have to wait for opportunity. There's a reason I have not taken any trades today. I've not entered or modified anything at all. And yeah. Nine. This thing does not want to do it. Is it true? More money, more problems. Will you adapt? It's pretty obvious. Like you will feel the same. Things will just be different. Like you adapt. It's like adjusting to the climate. Like you don't realize, you know, but you'll be able to handle a lot more as time goes on. You get used to it. And the beaches get bigger. The beaches are, I don't know if you're saying like the girls get bigger, like bitches or beaches. If they're getting bigger, bro, that's I don't know about all that. Joseph Nubb is tweaking, bro. What strategy do you trade? I posted a video on it. It's on my channel. Make sure you go watch that. I have 4 strategies though. Three of them are like kind of private that we teach in the mentorship, which is the first link in the description, and then the other one, like the fourth, I guess you could say. Um, I just posted it. There's a little bit of like missing info to it, and you kind of have to. There are some more things that you need to learn, but those aren't really like exactly teachable directly in one video. It's kind of like overall, so that's why like a lot of people are in the Discord. Um, your cousins ask you to put them on. I don't really like have cousins like that. I think I have like 2 or 3, maybe 2. I don't know. I don't really talk to them. My cousins ask me to put them on. It's kind of funny. Okay, now I'm up more because of this. Man, ain't shit happening. I would really like to see Tesla here. What about your friends back then? Do they bug you? No, I don't really have like a problem. Like, chat tries to get so personal. Yeah, I don't know. I feel like a lot of people are younger. Maybe they're just interested, curious. I feel like if I was in that position, like I would want a response. Like even if it's like a dumb question or whatever, like might as well reply to it. Yeah, my friends, I don't know, like um, I don't really like hang out with too much people as of now, but that's not because like that's not like cutting people off or anything. It's more just like my time and attention goes to this versus like sitting around and like doing like activities I could do as a group with someone. Like I don't have problems with anyone and I'm still friends with them. Like one of my like best friends, like day one friends is um in this chat too, most of the times. You'll see him around. And then I have like obviously like Brandon and all them. Like I met them later on, like more like the beginning of high school or like middle school. But I still have a lot of friends from like elementary school. Amazon up. Yay, 2%. Well, currently 1%. Let's go. Oh my God. It's going up. No, yeah. I don't know though. I don't even remember what I was saying. Was that sarcastic? Was what? The Amazon thing? Think you can figure that out? Okay, Tesla, break this and then go to 130, please. There we go. All right, next stop, 130, 130. Then I can add. How do I get ADR on Thinkorswim? Oh shit, I honestly forgot. I had something for that a while ago, but now I don't know. I'm not sure. I'm watching my own stream right now on OBS. 2,700 people online right now. Damn. I don't think that adjusts like during the stream. It doesn't, huh? When is it too early to get in on a pennant like that? Before it breaks out. And this is called a flag, by the way. You want to see this breakout, and then you see how. So, look, I'm just going to give you some free info right now. So, make sure you're listening. Actually, tell me you're listening. Where you at? What's it? Omar. Oh, sorry, flagged it. Omar, say, I am listening. Say you're ready to listen. Then I'll tell you something important. Okay. Whoa. There's another Omar. What the fuck? All right. So, right. We have a flag. Decent move. 30% move. Goes sideways. Consolidates along a moving average. Whatever time frame you're looking at. Preferably the daily, but this is a smaller time frame. Volume increases all the way up this flag, right? Or up the like pole of the flag. And then right when this goes into consolidation, volume dies out with it. Then what we're waiting for is a breakout above this, right? So you need to learn how to identify this range. And then you wait for a breakout with volume significantly higher. So, um, okay. So this one, right? Took this the other day. Came up like 56%, went sideways. You can't really tell like volume's dying out with it on this time frame, but you can on daily. And then you can see right here, breakout, right? And big volume with it. Volume is just like huge out of nowhere. That's how you know that this is confirmed. And now I'm in this, and I'm chilling. And money is being made. So there are a lot of things that you need to look out for, like sector rotation, what's performing best, where the market is. Like you need a lot of market awareness. You need to understand how these things trade, so you know like if you need to stop out early, or where to put your stops, where to take profits, how to take profits, if you should be scaling out of the position or not, where to fully close, and kind of just identifying really good breakouts, like understanding which sector is likely to go next. or is like starting to pick up some momentum, and then you wait for the setup for it to continue higher. Watch Tesla, it drops. It's getting there. Still needs time. But yeah, that should be, for the most part, somewhat understandable. Tesla dropped. Yay. Yay. It's my phone. Spy dumping too. Okay. So yeah, this position is slightly down now versus the 120% at open, which is cool. I'm cool with that. Right here, I want to add some. I think I might add to like a weekly, like $12 profit. Oh my goodness. You are going crazy. Maybe like some February 10ths. I know this is not bouncing. This is going lower. Bounce here. Come on. Maybe I'll add to like February 10ths. Or I could just add to the weeklies. Do you do trades on your own? What do you mean? Like without alerting them? If that's what you mean, like, sometimes, yeah. Yeah, like a lot of the short trades I do, because majority of people don't have access to the strategy because it requires a high account minimum and a specific broker. I don't really alert those. And then like some swing trades, like I won't really alert, um, if I feel that it's like more on the risky end. Like I like to only alert the highest probability winning trades. Like sometimes for me, like I'll just take a lot of for fun, and I'm like, oh, no one should put like I'll put like $5 in, like just to see if I can get like some million% type shit. Like sometimes, like rarely, but obviously stuff like that I want to alert. But for the most part, the Discord gets pretty much everything that I do take. Should I trade shares? Because if those flags get false breakouts, my options account is buns. Yeah, so I have a full strategy based around that. Swing trades are majority with shares because you have no theta, you have no Greeks at all, no expiration dates. You can get some crazy swings. Tell you what, you can get some swings that are like multiple years long sometimes, depending on the setup. I'll show you a setup right now. That could be a multi-year runner. You ready? This one right here. Each one of these candles represents a month. So we looked at Lucid, which each one of those candles represented an hour. This ran for 1.7 years, did 3,082%, and is now sideways, and is actually getting close to a breakout. I'd like to see this go sideways for another month, maybe pretty thin. But then, we're looking at least a 6 to 12 month swing on this one. So this is going to be something where like it's just fucked. If it plays through, obviously. You can use a weekly. You get a couple more exits. Re-entry would be difficult though. What are the chances it breaks down instead? I don't know. You just wait for the breakout. There's no point to like try to get it now. It's not how breakouts work. Go lower, bro. Like, it's obvious. Just do it. Come on now. I'm ready, bro, to get in your Discord. I'm gonna study the strategies, how to master them. Yeah, if you want to join up, bro, like, we're in there all day, every day. I'm in there on the weekends, too, so. And yeah, like Polar said, if you have any questions, you can ask anything here or open a ticket, do whatever you want. What charting app on the stream does Morgan use? He uses TC2000. It's gold plus real-time data, so it's about like $40 a month, something like that. Yeah. The only reason that I use this is because of all these scanners. So I have like short scan, gap scan, volume scan, short-term momentum, 3-month gainer, and then some other things like tons of tabs in terms of like watching positions and watching things on my watch list. I gotta watch this here, watch this here, watch this here, watch this here, watch this here. Tons of them. I put them everywhere. Love what you're doing. Thank you, bro. If you love it so much, make sure you like the stream, bro. Or else I'm gonna be pissed. No, I'm kidding. How many likes are we at, though? We have a decent amount of people watching. 47 likes. Okay. We're getting there. 48. There we go. 50. Oh, shit. Let's go. How many people we got? Are you buying Tesla when it goes down? I might add to my position, yeah. I already do have a position. It was up like 100% this morning, and it's now down 7%. But it is what it is. If I do get a good ad, because I don't have full size on this. I'm near full size, but not all the way. I might add. I just might. But if I do add, it might be to a longer term position. So like something like, I think it was 23 days out was the next strike that I was looking at, or contract expiration date that I was looking at. Something around a strike of like 165. Expecting like, you know, a pretty good pullback here within 20 days. Like 20 days, bro. Like bro, you kidding me? That shit better happen. Do you think I should buy when it goes down? I have no shares right now. Buy what? Oh, Tesla shares? Nah. Damn, 2020 to 2021 was golden age for your swing strat. Yeah, big time. Big time. That was a free money era, we like to call it. It's pretty fucking crazy, let me tell you. What, like, when I used to run like Discord lives, because this was before capacity got too full. Like right now, you can see we have 7, 8 people in here, so the Discord can't actually handle it. And I thought, you know, might as well provide some people with free live streams for those of them, like those people that, you know, maybe can't afford the mentorship or just don't find that it's worth it, whatever it is, you know, that they just can't join. I'm like, you know what, I'll give them a free live. Who cares? Sometimes I like call out trades here. You know, I have the Twitter where I call out some SPY day trades, things like that. But I do give out a little bit of free. But when I was running those streams, right, like those years, right, like early, like the bubble, kind of early into when we made the Discord, actually, we already had all the strategies, like trading and everything. So I was like, fuck it, let's make a Discord. Like everyone's asking, like how they want to learn. So I was doing these streams, and like breakouts would be like, I would have alerts go off like every second in my ear, and like I'm just sitting there like catching these trades, like because I have my little alert console, you know, like where I ping a certain price. It's just loud ass beep, and like I'm taking these trades. Like I'd take like 5, 6 trades per day, like at open. Maybe not per day, but you know, there'd be days where I'd get like 5, 6 trades at open. They'd all rip. You know, a few days down the line, I'm in like profit up like anywhere from like 1 to 20% on each position. I trim some, move my stop loss to break even. Now all those positions are risk free. I'm maxing out my account, like I'm on like 4x margin. Um, Obviously risk free. There is a way to take margin without involving risk or like significant amount of risk. There is a way to take margin though, and it can definitely help your account growth if you know what you're doing. Not saying start taking margin because it helps account growth. A lot more to that story than just that, but just like maxing my account out, like gains just fat as fuck, and I'm like, holy shit, bro, this is like money glitch. It gets crazy, like it really gets crazy, especially in a bubble. Do you think I should buy? Oh, Merced 401 calls for today. Who said that? Yeah, exactly. You gotta earn margin. So margin is it's only a few times you'd actually be able to take that. Shit can flip quick. After that, were you losing money in the 2022 market? No, because we had the SPY day trading strategy and the short strategy. So whenever cycle shifts, like yeah, I did start having a little bit of a pullback using that strategy. But when cycle shifts and then opportunity presents, I understand to switch strategies. And like now I don't really take too many breakouts. There's a few things that I take still, yes. And like things are getting a little bit better now. It's looking more positive for breakouts, but for the most part, I don't really take much, if any at all. I'm more focused on the SPY day trades and then a few swings, but it is hard to swing right now. As you can tell, Tesla's getting chewed. Like, good market, this would have just continued running. This would be completely inverse chart of what it is right now. But yeah, had a little bit of a drawdown. Let's see, like SPY. So this obviously was like really, really good. Had a little bit of a drawdown, like coming into here. Caught this little rally up, and then it topped out again. I continued to try to swing, and then it kind of kept going down. So my drawdown was just like, I was kind of like either break even or just pulling back. I could tell like, all right, shit's not working. Switch short strat, day trading strat, and I've been able to outperform this market. Obviously, this is down 10% from there, or like 9%, 8%, whatever you want to say. It's down overall. But yeah, I've been able to outperform this market simply by following those strategies and being able to like kind of adjust my style of trading based on the market conditions, which is extremely important. I feel like a lot of people don't realize that. You can't just use one strategy over and over and over because conditions will constantly change. There's cycles, market cycle shifts are like all the time. Not all the time, like on an everyday basis, but it comes in like waves. Like you got to understand how to play it. That's one of the hardest parts about trading is like what sectors are hot, what themes are hot, like what the current cycle is, how conditions are, like understanding the bigger picture so that you know what will work long term. What stocks are looking good today for day trading? Um, well, essentially nothing. I only look at like SPY for day trades, and then I mean I'm kind of looking at Tesla right now, but we'll have to see. Right now, nothing. I'm sitting on my hands. I'm waiting it out. Yeah, it's 7:30, so we're probably not going to get any more like SPY trades. Maybe I want to see if we can get a good SPY trade at like 11:30 again. I liked those end of day trades. Then I can hop back on stream or something. I think for now I'll probably have to hop off. Still not much to do, unfortunately. HKD. Oh shit. Holy shit. Oh my god, guys. HKD. Oh my god. It's going up and I'm not in it. This is so bad. What's neon doing? All right, let's see. Why so choppy? Then PPI come in lower than expected. I don't know. I don't even look at those data things. I literally just look at price action. Like if I get a setup, that's it. Don't care about the data. Don't care about any of that because in the market you can't be predictive. You have to be reactive. So based on whatever news comes out, doesn't matter. There's people that have a lot more money than you, that institutions, banks, people seeing data is not going to do shit. Those people have already priced these things into the market. Like let's say SPY, right? Like it's not like out of nowhere we have much surprises. CPI had this huge gap, but then it came back right down to where it closed or the previous day, right? Like you can tell, like huge overreaction. I don't know who the fuck starts buying it like that. Banks, institutions, whoever, someone. Because to be honest, me and you are not moving SPY, but it ends up closing like right near um the previous day's close, and then it takes a shit after. So it's like, well, what's the point of this gap up? Like you would think like, oh, gap up, news beats expectations or whatever. This is gonna continue running. Well, not all the time, and honestly, majority none of the times. It's usually priced in. It's one thing that I've learned. The MWC is set up and there's FOMC. You don't pay attention. Hell no. Watch. Let me show you. Here, watch. I'll find one right now. FOMC. Oh, the other day. What am I saying? Right here. Or no, what is that? No, that is that day, yeah. This one, I don't know why the moving averages. Oh, because I don't have after hours. This one was a setup right here. And this was some sort of news or chat meeting bullshit. I don't give a fuck what they're doing. I care about the chart, bro, because every time that I get that good setup that like follows the BBKC strategy, doesn't matter what's about to happen, that is telling me what's about to happen. Like, am I gonna sit there and analyze some fool that's 90 years old and figure out what he's saying? Like, I don't have time for that shit. I can't figure that out anyway. Half the stuff they say is so like neutral with how they word things. It's like doesn't even matter. But majority of the times, like that setup alone, that like BBKC setup, these candles on 15-minute, it will catch those FOMC moves 90% of the time. I've caught them so many times, and I'm just like, whoa, what the hell? Like that's crazy. People are like, oh shit, like how do you predict FOMC? I'm like, bro, I don't even fucking know what was going on. I just somehow got this big follow through out of nowhere on this trade that I took. Like I mean, sometimes you're gonna want to be like, oh shit, FOMC's coming up, but that's not like for you to sit there and be like, oh no, what should I do based on what this guy says? Like, who gives a shit, dude? Like in reality, you don't care what he says, so why let that affect your trading? And I know you don't care what he says, because who does? No one. Tesla's coming near a potential add zone for those contracts that we got the other day on swings. They're not down too much. Maybe it might not be the best ad, but we'll see. BBC setup? No, bro. Oh my god. BBKC, Bollinger Bands, Keltner channels. I have a video on my YouTube, so just watch that. Alright, I think I'm just gonna wait for Tesla here, see if we can get like a 15-minute reversal. For now, I'm probably gonna head out though. If we get a good setup on SPY, which, it's gonna take some time, probably a few hours, then maybe I'll hop back on if I see something setting up good. But for now, I don't really see a point in me staying. Damn, my eyes, dude. This light is bright. Do you use the algo a lot? Yep. SPY filling gap down. Oh, I see what you're saying. Yeah, possible. All right. Tesla, I'm gonna add a few right here. Cause why not? All right, solid. Added barely any, and it's going lower. Nice. Maybe even better add would be here. We'll see. Maybe I'll add a few more there. Depends. For now, I'm out of here. If you have any questions, make sure you ping me in chat, or you need anything, need my attention for any reason, just ping me in chat and I'll get to you. I might reach out to some people today too, just check in on like how you guys are doing in terms of knowledge and understanding things. We have already started on that a little bit, but yeah. Damn, Tesla is shitting. All right, later, guys.